Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, obviously as you've guessed, we'll be using the RugDoctor. So I've got this carpet laid in my lounge for about 4 years, and you can clearly see the discoloration where we've put the sofas and where there's foot traffic. Can you see that? You can see that on the side where there's sofas, it's nice and grey and it's still lovely and lush. And on this side where there's foot traffic, it's a little bit discolored. So I'm hoping into this video I'll be able to show you how this tool here would get us back to here. That's the whole plan. Yes, I'll be giving you a quick tour around the RugDoctor. So let's see, where do we start? So here you've got the waste bucket. This is where the waste would basically be stored. Underneath you've got where your cleaning solution would be poured into. Here you've got some switches over here. You've got a vacuum switch. And here you've got two mode settings. You've got the hand tool use and the carpet cleaning tool. So here, depending on what you're trying to do, you'll be able to use one of this mode. Let me see what else. So at the top of the handle, you've got this red button which you'd need to press when you're washing the carpet. And to adjust the handle as well, you've got like a lever here. So basically, put the lever up, you go down, and you can see it's basically adjusted to a different level, yeah? And you do the same thing again, and you can adjust it upright. Let's see, obviously you've got the plug, and to the front, you've got some, let's see. You've got how to use, let's put this down and try and see if we're able to see. So it tells you here 5 steps to clean the carpet. There you go. And I think that's more or less the basic around the RugDoctor. And I believe to the back as well we have let's see, so we've got, I believe this is the vacuum hose which needs to be plugged into this here. And I believe this is what gets the your solution from the tank here into onto your carpet and into the waste bucket. So that's the basic for your RugDoctor at the moment. The next I'll be showing you how to pour and open this section of the RugDoctor. Okay, so we'll be pouring. So I've done my mix, my solutions mix, and yours will be depending on what kind of solution you buy to clean your carpet. So I couldn't really tell you what your ratio would be. So yeah, so I'll be pouring my mix into that what's it called, wherever that is called, of the RugDoctor. I'll show you how to open this and how to access that section. So let's do that now. So let's see. Okay, so you've got these wire retainers here. You pull it down, and that way you're able to lift that up and just twist. Yeah, twist. Then you're able to pull out the white waste bucket. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Cool. So once you've done that, you take your mix, and this is where you pour your your solutions mix. So you just pour it in, pour it in, pour it in. Okay. And by the way, I mixed my solution with warm water. I think I'm gonna have to do more mix because apparently it's meant to be around here somewhere. So I'll be doing more mix to basically put into that wherever this container is. So I hope that obviously is quite clear on how to basically access this part of the RugDoctor. And to put it back, it's pretty simple. You put it in, you twist that up, back, and you take the wire retainer, you pull it back, and that's it done. So I'm about to start. So I've got this rug. You might be wondering, the grey rug seems slightly different to this. That's because I have this rug somewhere else in the house, and I've decided to clean it. So we'll be giving it a good clean while I have the RugDoctor with me. Yeah, so the RugDoctor is all plugged in. We're good to go. If you find yourself in an awkward situation, you need to lift. This is how to lift the RugDoctor up, yeah? You put your hand in here, you lift, and you have to start at the very top of your carpet. That's how you start. So, let's start. Okay, so we're all finished. Looking definitely different. It's taking a lot of water, solutions mix, but we got it eventually. This is definitely, in my opinion, 100% better. Thanks for watching the video, and thanks for coming back to my channel. Take care, bye.